a sports sedan with insane performance. The Hyundai Elantra N offers 276 HP, a turbocharged engine, and a track-ready setup, all while being practical for daily driving. The Volkswagen Golf R is a hot hatch with a DD, a turbocharged 2.0L engine, and 315 HP. It's fast, practical, and packed with high-tech features for an all-around performance beast. At number 2, the Nissan Z brings back legendary styling with a 400 HP twin-turbo V6. It's a modern take on an iconic sports car that delivers raw power and excitement at a reasonable price. And finally, taking the top spot is the Chevrolet Corvette C8. With a mid-engine layout, 6.2 LV8 pushing 495 HP, and exotic car looks, it's the most affordable supercar experience you can get under $70,000. So, there you have it. The top 10 affordable sports cars you can buy in the U.S. today. Which one would you love to drive? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing car content. See you in the next video.